Hey there, millionaires! Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires. Today, we are diving into an incredibly transformative topic from our self care segment. This video is all about 10 steps to be self made. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and become the best version of yourself? Well, buckle up because this journey is going to be nothing short of life changing. Becoming self made isn't just about financial success, it's about cultivating the mindset, habits, and skills that will propel you to the top no matter where you start. Imagine having the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Whether it's starting a business, becoming a top executive, or simply being the best in your field, these steps are your blueprint to success. Before we dive into the steps, let's get one thing straight. Being self-made means taking 100% responsibility for your life. It means no more excuses, no more blaming others for where you are. It's about owning your journey and making things happen for yourself. Think about the inspiring stories of self-made millionaires like Dhirubhai Ambani or Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. They started with almost nothing and built empires with sheer determination, grit, and a relentless pursuit of their dreams. And guess what? You can do it too. In today's video, we are not just talking theory, we are giving you actionable steps that you can start implementing right away. These are tried and tested methods that have worked for countless individuals around the world, and I'm so excited to share them with you. So, if you're ready to change your life, smash that like button and let's get started. And remember, stay tuned till the end because we have a bonus tip that you absolutely don't want to miss. Alright, let's dive into the 10 steps to becoming self-made. Number 1. Set clear, achievable goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish, and we are here to make those wishes a reality. Start by defining what success looks like for you. Is it financial freedom? Is it starting your own company? Whatever it is, be specific. Take the story of Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal, the co-founders of Flipkart. They set a clear goal to revolutionize e-commerce in India, and look where they are now. Having a clear vision of your goals will give you direction and purpose. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. This will make them less overwhelming and easier to achieve. Remember, it's the small steps that lead to big changes. Write down your goals, create a vision board, and keep them in a place where you can see them every day. This constant reminder will keep you motivated and focused. Number 2. Develop a growth mindset. This means believing that your abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort, learning, and persistence. It's about embracing challenges and seeing failures as opportunities to grow. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Look at Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who faced numerous failures before becoming one of India's most respected scientists and the President of India. His growth mindset was the key to his success. Start by changing your self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and push you to be better. Read books, take courses, and always be willing to learn. A growth mindset will open doors you never thought possible. Number 3. Build a strong network. Millionaires, success is not a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who support your vision, challenge you to grow, and celebrate your successes. Your network is your net worth. Think of Ratan Tata, who built a vast network of mentors and peers that helped him lead the Tata Group to new heights. Attend industry events, join professional groups, and don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Networking isn't just about what others can do for you. It's about building mutually beneficial relationships. Offer value, share your knowledge, and be genuine in your interactions. A strong network can provide opportunities, advice, and support when you need it the most. Number 4. Master time management. Millionaires, time is your most valuable asset, and how you use it will determine your success. Remember, you have the same 24 hours in a day as everyone else. It's how you use them that counts. Narayana Murthy, co-founder of Infosys, is known for his impeccable time management skills. His ability to prioritize tasks and stay organized played a crucial role in his success. Start by identifying your most productive hours and schedule your most important tasks during this time. Use tools like calendars, planners, and apps to keep track of your tasks. Learn to say no to activities that don't align with your goals. Focus on what truly matters and eliminate distractions. By managing your time effectively, you can achieve more in less time. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Millionaires, this means continuously improving your skills, knowledge, and overall well-being. You are your greatest asset. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Azim Premji, the chairman of Wipro, is a lifelong learner. His commitment to personal growth has been a significant factor in his success. Take courses, attend workshops, read books, and seek out mentors. Also, don't forget to take care of your physical and mental health. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and practice mindfulness. Investing in yourself will not only increase your knowledge and skills but also boost your confidence and resilience. Number 6. Embrace failure. Millionaires, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. Every failure brings you one step closer to your goal. Failures are the stepping stones to success. Think about Amitabh Bachchan, who faced numerous rejections before becoming a Bollywood superstar. His failures didn't stop him, they fueled his determination. Instead of fearing failure, learn from it. Analyze what went wrong, make adjustments, and try again. Each failure is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Embracing failure will build your resilience and make you stronger. Number 7. Stay persistent. Millionaires, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort and determination. The only time you fail is when you give up. Think of Dhirubhai Ambani, who started with a small trading business and faced numerous challenges before building Reliance Industries. Keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember why you started and keep your end goal in sight. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins along the way. Persistence is the key to overcoming obstacles and achieving your dreams. Number 8. Take calculated risks. Millionaires, success often requires stepping out of your comfort zone and taking risks. No risk, no reward. Consider the story of Mukesh Ambani, who took a significant risk by investing in the telecommunications industry, leading to the creation of Jio. Evaluate the potential risks and benefits before making a decision. Don't be reckless, but don't be afraid to take a chance when the potential reward is worth it. Taking calculated risks can lead to new opportunities and growth. Number 9. Stay focused. Millionaires, distractions are everywhere, and staying focused on your goals is crucial for success. Focus is the key to unlocking your potential. Sundar Pichai's focus on innovation and excellence has helped him lead Google to new heights. Eliminate distractions and create a productive environment. Set clear priorities and stick to them. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable steps and focus on completing one thing at a time. Staying focused will help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Number 10. Give back. Millionaires, the 10th step is to give back. True success is not just about what you achieve for yourself but also about how you impact others. The more you give, the more you receive. Think of Infosys Nandan Nilekani, who has contributed significantly to social causes and nation-building efforts. Find ways to give back to your community, whether it's through volunteering, mentoring, or donating to causes you care about. Giving back will not only make a positive impact on others but also bring you a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Bonus tip number 11. Stay humble. And now, millionaires, as promised, here's your bonus tip: stay humble. No matter how successful you become, always stay grounded and remember where you came from. Humility is the foundation of true greatness. Look at Ratan Tata, who is known for his humility and simplicity despite his immense success. Being humble will keep you connected to your roots and allow you to build genuine relationships. It will also keep you open to learning and growing, no matter how much you achieve. So, millionaires, there you have it, the 10 steps to becoming self-made, plus a bonus tip. Remember, set clear goals, develop a growth mindset, build a strong network, master time management, invest in yourself, embrace failure, stay persistent, take calculated risks, stay focused, give back, and always stay humble. These steps are your roadmap to success. Implement them in your life and watch yourself transform into the best version of you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more inspiring content. Before we go, I want to hear from you. What's the one step you're going to start with today? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, millionaires. Keep striving for greatness, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay awesome.